He was born in Makkah in 571 AD. Yes, Makkah. You all know which place Makkah is? Makkah में कहाँ क्या है?
हज करना
हज करना. मक्का में क्या है?
काबा
खाने काबा. वेरी गुड. और हम मक्का में क्या करते हैं जाके?
हज कर
हम हज करते हैं, हम उम्रे के लिए जाते हैं. तो जो खाने काबा है वो अल्लाह ताला का घर है.
अल्लाह ताला का हाउस.
अल्लाह ताला का घर है वो. तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम was born in Makkah in 571 AD. He was an orphan. He was an orphan. Orphan means a person who does not have his father or mother. So he was an orphan. He does not have his mother and father. His father Abdullah died before he was born. His father died before he was born. उनके पैदा होने से पहले ही उनके फादर की डेथ हो गई थी. His father's name was Abdullah. What was the name of his father? Abdullah. Everyone answer me. What was the name of his father? Abdullah. Very good. Good. His mother Amna died when he was a child of 6. When his mother died, when he was 6 years old. When he was 6 years old, his mother died. What was the name of Prophet Muhammad's mother? Amna. Very good. What was Prophet Muhammad's mother? Amna. Very good. Neha, can you hear me? Where Prophet Muhammad was born, Neha?
At Makkah.
Ali, are you Neha? No? Ji Neha, where Prophet Muhammad was born?
And Makkah.
Makkah. Very good. Okay. He lived with his grandfather Abdul Muttalib and then with his loving uncle Abu Talib. His grandfather's name was Abdul Muttalib. What was his grandfather's name?
Abdul Muttalib.
Abdul Muttalib. Okay, his grandfather's name was Abdul Muttalib. Who was Abdul Muttalib? Students, who was Abdul Muttalib?
His grandfather.
Whose grandfather?
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Very good. So, when his mother and father died, whom he lived with? जब उनके फादर और मदर की डेथ हो गई तो वो फिर किसके साथ रहे थे? His grandfather Abdul Muttalib and then with his loving uncle Abu Talib. Okay. Manahil, who was, okay, students just wait. Manahil, who was Abu Talib?
Teacher me.
No, I want answer from Manahil only. Ji Manahil, who was Abu Talib? Okay. Aisha Amir, who was Abu Talib? Ji Aisha, who was Abu Talib? His loving uncle Abu Talib was his uncle. Okay. Start from here. Okay. Father's name. What was the name of Hazrat Muhammad's father?
Abdullah.
Students, very good.
Abdullah.
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 Very good. Hazrat Muhammad's
Abdullah.
father's name was Abdullah. Okay.
Abdullah.
His mother's name. His mother's name. Who is going to tell me his mother's name?
Amna. Amna.
Very good. Bibi Amna. Okay. Aisha, open up your mic. Bibi Amna. Okay.
Amna.
Good. His grandfather's name. Grandfather.
Abu Talib.
Abdul Muttalib. Ammar. Ji Khizr Danish. Grandfather's name. Students, kindly pay attention, beta. Okay. So, I'm repeating this paragraph again. Prophet Muhammad was born in Makkah in 571 AD. He was an orphan. His father, Abdullah, died before he was born. His mother, Amina, died when he was a child of 6. He lived with his grandfather, Abdul Muttalib, and then with his uncle Abu Talib. Okay, good. Shall we move to the next paragraph? Shall I move to the next paragraph?
Yes.
Okay, good. Muhammad was poor, so he worked as a shepherd to help his uncle. Okay, he was poor because his father and mother died and everything, and he worked as a shepherd. Shepherd is a person who look after the sheep. कभी देखा है कि बहुत सारी शीप्स होती हैं और एक बंदा उनको चला रहा होता है, उनको डायरेक्शन दे रहा होता है. सबने कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा रास्ते में. अच्छा, ये हमने बहुत नॉर्मली देखा है कि बहुत सारी गायें जा रही होती हैं और उनको एक बंदा चला रहा होता है. तो वो क्या कहलाता है? वो शेफर्ड कहलाता है. दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड शेफर्ड. हु लुक आफ्टर द शीप्स. ओके, तो वो क्या करते थे, वो जो थे शीप्स को देखते थे अपने अंकल के साथ, अपने अंकल को हेल्प आउट करते थे. He was always honest and people called him the truthful. He always tells the truth. उन्होंने कभी भी किसी से गलत बात नहीं की, तो उनको लोग क्या बुलाते थे? ट्रूथफुल. जो कि ट्रूथफुल मीन्स जो कि सच बोलता है. Who always tells the truth. अल सादिक, अल अमीन, सच बोलने वाला. ठीक है. He was always honest and people called him the truthful, Al Sadiq, Al Amin. When he was 25 years old, he got married to a rich widow, Khatija bint Khalid. Okay, when he got married at the age of
25 years.
25 years old. What was the whom he married to? Khatija bint Khalid. Hazrat Khatija was his, yes, cheez hoya. Who was Hazrat Khatija?
Wife.
Very good, excellent. Okay, so Ji Ammar, When Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam got married, at what age?
25.
Amar,
25.
good Ali. Amar, I want an answer from you, beta.
25.
Are you all Amar? Ji Amar. Very good, excellent. Very good. Okay, good. Okay. What people call him?
Truthful.
Very good. What people call him?
Truthful.
Very good. Excellent, students.
Truthful.
Excellent. Okay.
Sadiq Alamin.
Al-Sadiq Al-Amin. Excellent. He became the messenger of Islam when he was 40. Okay. Messenger of Islam. Messenger. Who we call the messenger? Who spreads the message of Islam? Okay. So he spread the message of Islam.
हमें मैसेज देते
तो हमें मैसेज देते हैं, चाहे वो इस्लाम का हो या कोई और चीज का हो. तो at what age he became the message of Islam? Very good. So he became the messenger of Islam when he was 40. At 40 years old, he became the messenger of Islam. He started spreading the message of Islam in Makkah. From which city he started to spread the message of Islam?
Makkah.
Very good.
Makkah.
Everyone unmute your mics. Student, kindly unmute your mics. I want an answer from everyone. जी सुमान, कौन सी सिटी थी जहाँ पे इन्होंने अपना मैसेज ऑफ इस्लाम देना शुरू करा?
Makkah. Makkah.
Good, good. And at what? Very good. And at what age he became the messenger of Islam?
40.
40. At the age of 40. Very good. Okay. In 622 AD, he moved to Al-Madinah and lived there for 11 years. He migrated to Medina and lived there for 11 years. When he spread the message of Islam, he migrated to Medina to spread the message at Medina. And how much years did he live there? 11 years. Very good. Okay, in which AD did he move to Medina?
622.
Very good.
622.
620. Very good, Zoya. 6. Ammar, pay attention. Ji Arshan. In which AD did he move to Medina?
622. 622.
Are you all Arshan?
22.
I want answer from Arshan only. Ji Arshan, beta. Ji Ali Ahmed. In which AD did he move to Medina?
622.
Very good. He died on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal Hijra in Medina. हम आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का वफात कब मनाते हैं? 12 रबीउल अव्वल को. ये सबको पता है ना? 12th of Rabiul Awwal. Yes. And where he died? In Medina. सबको पता है ना कि मदीना आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का घर है और मक्का जो है वो अल्लाह का घर है.
मदीना में.
Very good. Excellent.
मदीना में.
Okay, good. Now there are some questions you just have to answer. Yes, Ali.
Teacher,
Ji.
my grandfather and my grandma go at the Medina and Makkah.
Very good. For Umrah? They go for Umrah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Number
Teacher?
1. Yes.
Teacher,
Yes, Shavidia.
my nanny meet
Really? Okay, we will talk about this later. Okay, come to the. Okay, number 1. His mother died when he was students, pay attention. Students, pay attention.
Miss, everyone write.
You don't have to write it. You just have to give me the answers. Okay. Don't write anything. Okay. His mother died when he was a child of dash.
Teacher.
Walaikum assalam, Tasbiha.
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher 6.
Just write down the answer quickly. Only answer. Just write down the answer quickly. His mother died when he was a child of. Very good. Excellent. Write the answers only. Good. Just write the answers, okay? Number 2. He worked as a dash to help his uncle. He worked as a dash to help his uncle. Ji Zoya?
Shepherd.
Very good. Shepherd. Excellent.
Shepherd.
Very good. You just have to write the answers. Ji, you only have to write the answers. Do not copy anything. Just write the answers. Okay?
Not question.
Just wait.
RD. The people called him the
Number 1 question.
Shall we move to the next one?
very good truth.
Mother died when he was a children of death. Teacher, number 1 question.
The number 1 is his mother died when he was a child of dash.
Miss,
Yes.
year old.
Very good. When he was 6 years old.
Miss,
Yes.
do we have to write?
You just have to write the answers if you want to. Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes. Yes.
The people called him the dash.
Answer.
The people called him the dash. लोग उन्हें क्या कहते थे?
Truthful. Truthful.
Very good.
Truthful.
Good.
Truthful. Yeah, I already write it.
Already done it? Okay, good.
यू भी लिख सकते हैं और यू भी लिख सकते हैं मजेदार।
This is your homework. Answer these questions. You have to do it in your homework, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, I'm repeating it again. Tell your answers, student. His mother died when he was a child of 6.
6.
Very good.
मजेदार मजेदार दोनों तरीकों से बोलते हैं, ज्वाइन करके भी मिला के भी अलग अलग करके, ठीक है? सही है? आप आइए नाम थोड़े हमारे।
Okay. He worked as a dash to help his uncle.
Shepherd.
Stafford. Very good. Good.
S लिखो पहले
Last one. The people called him the dash. क्या बुलाते थे लोगों ने?
Truthful.
Very good. It is written over here. Truthful. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. F-U-L. Full. Truthful.
Truthful. मतलब सच बोलना.
Very good. सच बोलना.
Hello. Hello, miss.
Yes. When you once you are done with it, just let me know.
After class. मुझे रेडी भी करना भैया अपने पाँव दिखाइए
You have to do question number 2 at your home. Answer these questions. You have to do it at your home. Okay?
This is our homework.
Yes. This is your homework. Where was the prophet born? When did the prophet become a messenger? How many years did he live in Al Madina? This is your homework. Okay? Yes. I will update it on university. Okay, students. So I'll see you all on Monday, inshallah. Yes. Okay, Hafiz. See you all on Monday, inshallah. Yes. So yeah. Allah Hafiz. Ji Aisha. Ji, I will update it on university. Don't worry. Yes, yes. University पे मैं homework upload कर दूँगी. ठीक है? Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, miss.